Where were you born?
I was born in London.
Where do you live now?
I live in Liverpool.
Where do your parents live?
They live near London.
Where did you go to school?
I went to school in my village. It was a very small school.
Where did you go to university?
I didn't go to university.
Where did you go on holiday when you were a child?
We always went to Scotland, to a beach.
Where do you go on holiday now?
I normally go to Spain.
Where do you prefer to live? In a city or in a village?
I prefer to live in a small village, but at the moment I live in a big city, Liverpool.
Where will you visit in the future?
I think I will visit France and Italy next year.
Where is your favourite place to visit in England?
I love visiting Yorkshire. It's very green. There are sheep and cows and some beautiful villages.
Where do you buy clothes?
I like to go to the big shops in Liverpool, and I also buy clothes online.
And finally, where do you buy food?
I normally buy food in a very big supermarket.
If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.